Hello, 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 how are you? Hello there. My name is Janice. You can call me Teacher John. And I am from the Philippines. I have experience teaching students, and I truly enjoy helping learners learn and succeed. I'm always willing to adjust, add, and improve my lesson to match your need because I believe every student is different and special. Whether you're here to build your skills, gain confidence, or just enjoy the learning process, I'm excited to be part of your journey. Let us make our lesson fun, effective, and exciting together. So, what are you waiting for? Come and book now to my class. See you soon. Bye bye.